In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to save videos from your CapCut to gallery. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to our CapCut, and then you want to create a new project or open up a previously created project. So if I go to edit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the top one right here. So I will click on this. From here, as you can see, you can go through, edit this as much as you like. And then once you have finished with the edit, to save this, what we need to do is go to export in the top right hand corner. Click on export, and then this will then take a couple of seconds. Now, what this will do is it will export your project and any edits that you have made to your specific video. And then once you have done this, you will then be able to save this to gallery. As you can see at the top, this does now say saved to device. So this will now be located in your gallery. If not, what we can do is click on other. And then once you click on other, as you can see, there is now an option to click on save video. So once you click on save video, that will mean that it has now been saved to your gallery. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can save and export a video from CapCut to your gallery.